Hey there, ready to test your knowledge? Let's test your knowledge on California Real Estate Exam Crash Course Online 2026 Pass Faster Study Smarter. Question 1. When someone passes away with a valid will in place, it is referred to as A. Testate, B. Intestate, C. Escheat, D. Appertainant. The correct answer is testate. Testate is the term for passing away with a valid will in place. Question 2. A title search revealed a lien on a property which creates a cloud on the title. How may the landowner go about resolving this title issue? A. By requesting a chain of title. B. By letting the lien expire. C. Writing a letter to the judge, asking that it be dismissed. D. Paying the debt and filing a stratification of judgment. The correct answer is paying the debt and filing a stratification of judgment. A lien may be terminated by paying the existing debt, receiving a satisfaction of judgment, and filing the documentation with the court. Question 3. Liens on a title may be voluntary or involuntary. Which of the following is an example of a voluntary lien? A. Mortgage, B. Judgment, C. Child support lien, D. Tax lien. The correct answer is mortgage. A mortgage places a lien on the property which is voluntary in nature. Question 4. Donnie's neighbor Paul has an easement across Donnie's property to get to his own. When an easement is on a title, it is an example of in A. Encroachment, B. Estoppel, C. Encumbrance, D. Equitable title. The correct answer is encumbrance. An encumbrance is a limitation placed on a title such as a lien, lease, or easement. Question 5. Escrow agent Emily will use what legal instrument to transfer real property from the seller to the buyer on closing day? A. Title certificate, B. Deed, C. Bill of sale, D. Settlement statement. The correct answer is deed. A deed is the legal instrument used at closing to transfer real property from the seller to the buyer. Question 6. What type of title bears the most protection for the property owner? A. Quitclaim deed, B. Sheriff's deed, C. Warranty deed, D. Beneficiary deed. The correct answer is warranty deed. A warranty deed provides the most protection for a property owner. Question 7. On closing day, who signs the deed to transfer the property from seller to buyer? A. The buyer, B. The seller, C. The buyer and seller, D. The seller and escrow agent. The correct answer is the seller. Only the seller or grantor is required to execute the deed to convey property to the buyer. Question 8. When agents get together and have a discussion regarding setting a fixed commission rate so that they are all charging the same rate, this conversation violates what act? A. Homestead Act, B. Fair Housing Act, C. ADA Act, D. Sherman Antitrust Act. The correct answer is Sherman Antitrust Act. This activity constitutes price fixing, which is a violation of the Sherman Antitrust Act. Question 9. What duty requires an agent to place the client's best interest above all others? A. Honesty. B. Loyalty. C. Respect. D. Obedience. The correct answer is loyalty. The agent's duty of loyalty requires the agent to put the client's best interest above all others. Question 10. Steve tells listing agent Shelley his basement leaks. He insists it's really no big deal. Which of the following is true? A. Shelley must be obedient and not mention it. B. Shelley should trust her client, it's no big deal. C. Shelley cannot withhold known material facts. D. Shelley should only mention it if the buyer asks. The correct answer is Shelley cannot withhold known material facts. Not disclosing a material fact is illegal, and the agent does not have to obey the seller in this situation.